Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Diman. Today we are going to discuss life in temperate grasslands. Okay, so temperate zone where climatic conditions are moderate, the grasslands are common. Okay, simply I tell you, they are found in temperate zone. Temperate grasslands are found in temperate zone. They are found between subtropical and subpolar regions, and they are known as different names. In our previous lesson we had discussed different names of these grasslands: prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppes in Asia and Europe, downs in Australia, and the veld in Africa. Temperate grasslands provide good pastures and ideal conditions for the animal rearing. In this section we will discuss the prairies and the velds. Let's discuss prairies first. So the prairies are found in North America. They covered a large part of USA and Canada. Okay, if we talk about the continent, then they are in North America. If we talk about the country, then they are in USA and Canada. This area is drained by river Mississippi and its tributaries. So main river is Mississippi in prairies, and it is very fertile and it is very important for agriculture. Prairies have a continental type of climate. If we talk about the climate, it is continental type, means summers are hot and winters are cold. If we talk about the summer temperature, then it is about 38 degrees Celsius high, and if we talk about the winters, then it is about minus 40 degrees Celsius. If we talk about the rainfall, then it is not sufficient for growing of trees, so grasses are common here, and in some places grass grows taller than a man. If we talk about the common animals, then jackal, rabbit, deer, dog, etc., they are common. If we talk about the other, then large herds of bison are found in prairies. Let me show you the picture of bison. This is bison. Okay, this one is bison here. Next, if we talk about, then now the large part of prairies is being converted into agricultural land. Crops, if we talk about the crops, then main crops are wheat, corn and oat. If we talk about the farms, then they are big in size, and mostly the work is done with the help of machines, and this type of farming is known as extensive. Which type of farming is known as extensive? When we use modern methods of cultivation and high yielding variety of seeds. One more thing here, sorry, it is again two times. Okay, so here mixed farming means the growing of crop and rearing of animals at the same farm. This is known as mixed farming. And extensive farming, which is used extensive farming is that in which modern techniques or modern methods are used. Yes, prairies is known as granaries of the land. Okay, so what is or which grasslands are known as granaries of the world? So prairies. If we talk about the population, then it is mainly concentrated around the wheat growing areas of the or rivers, and prairies are well connected with modern means of transportation, and due to the increase in population in recent past, grasslands have been cleared for agriculture, construction of transport routes, settlements. This has resulted in serious problems of soil erosion leading to drought conditions. Okay, so some advantages are there. Next we have veld. So velds, they are found in South Africa. Here, this is the area, and veld is a Dutch word. It means fields. And temperate grasslands of South America covers southern part of Africa. It lies between Drakensberg Plateau in the east. So here is Drakensberg. Here you can see this area. Okay, and in the east, Kalahari Desert. It is here. Okay, here it is written, and here it is found. Okay, It is also known as high veld because it is located, this is the plateau surface. Okay, there these grasslands are found, that is a plateau surface, so they are known as high veld. Okay, if we talk about the main rivers, then Limpopo and Orange are main rivers of veld. Veld is situated near the coast. Here temperature is moderate always. Summers are hot, winters are short and warm, and winters are long and cool. Rainfall is low, droughts are common. So all these things, and due to dry climatic conditions, plants do not grow here, and grasses are dominating vegetation. Agriculture is not possible here because this is plateau area and the soil is infertile, and there is a lack of water ability, water is not available, hence there is low agricultural production here. The veld grasslands are rich in minerals. This is important thing. Velds are rich in mineral. Which type of minerals? Gold, diamond and coal are common. Coal mines are common in Johnsonburg. So where are coal mines found? In Johnsonburg. Okay, in Veld. Diamond mines, Kimberley, this is important, well known they are, and they are with the western border of the Veld. Agro waste, the agro waste and mineral waste industries are common here. Agro means agricultural waste industries. The Veld areas has reduced drastically due to the development of towns, cities and industries. Natural environment in Veld grassland is also disturbed due to the rapid development. This is all for the day. Homework is find 5 questions from prairies and 5 questions from Veld. Thank you.